Today's an exciting day because hopefully we're putting in the new muffler. I picked up two sizes. An 8-inch round muffler, and of course I needed to get a resonator in case that wouldn't fit. They're both 12-inch in length, and I'm starting to realize this may not work out. I went with the Magnaflows. We're going to have to put in a Y connector if we're going to make this work. If it doesn't work, we're going to have to look at my other options. I knew we'd have to get the car up and take the plastic cover off anyway, so I thought, why not pick up a couple mufflers and a couple resonators in case everything could be done in one day.
Even if we were to bring it over,
As I suspected, option 2 will not work, so I'm going to have to take a look and see what's out there for my option 1.
Maybe get the mufflers. I'm curious just the size of the tip. But
Oh my god. The challenge I have is that there's not very many mufflers out there with a side inlet. So what I've done is I've looked through some catalogs and I did find Vibrant actually has one of those mufflers. So I'm going to have to put in an order and get one shipped out.
and as you can see, this one isn't exactly centered. It's offset slightly.
Yeah.
But I mean, we can always make a piece to go as long as it's in center. So, okay.
But say you got a 12-inch
that's the
muffler.
center. That's
You
the
had a
center.
12-inch muffler or a 12-inch resonator. No, you need a 10-inch resonator. Because we can cut this back the time you got.
Well, that didn't work out as well as planned, but the idea was to open it up and take a look inside and underneath the plastic protection there to see what we're looking at and what kind of measurements we had to take. I was hopeful when I bought that the two mufflers and the two resonators that we could probably get one, take a look and see which one we could get in there. I was hoping for the bigger one, but we can't get either of them in. And we kind of only knew that until we opened it up. So what I've done is I've went back to Mopac, which is that performance auto place that I picked up the two. I got the store credit and went and bought the Vibrant muffler. And I've had to order that in. It's going to take a week. So we're going to reshoot a video and the process of having it put on. And then we're going to hear how it sounds with the before and after. So don't forget to subscribe. We're going to put that video out within the next week, hopefully. And I'm looking forward to getting that out there and showing you guys.